Hi guys, I'm Alex and this is
Cam.
and we're personal trainer and fitness instructors here at NPTI Orlando. And today's Walmart item of the week is this 4-imprint dice game. Now this awesome little game is great for beginners and intermediate students that are just getting into fitness and don't really know how to build a workout. You can just throw it on the floor and plan one right then and there. I'm going to have Cam take it out of the bag, throw it for some students at the school, and we're going to give it a try.
So with these dice, if you're a beginner, you can just roll one at a time to find a good workout to do. Or if you're more intermediate, you could roll two at a time and then superset those two workouts. So that's what we're going to do today, and then we're going to perform those workouts.
All right, Cam, let's give these little dice a drop. So what do we got over here? All right, boys, we got a 30-second plank on my end.
And we have 10 high knees on my end.
So let's start with the high knees straight into the plank. Higher, waist level. Very nice. All right, now we're dropping into our plank. 30 seconds. All right, so we got box jumps both times. So our guys are going to line up with these boxes on both sides, and one's going to jump at a time, and we're going to get it done.
Boom,
Come on, boys.
Here we go.
All right, two on that side, two on this side. There you go. All right, guys. Boom, boom.
One at a time.
Are we ready?
Again, I'm Alex.
And I am Cam.
And we're trainers here at NPTI Orlando. And today's Walmart item of the week are these athletic dice. Go out to your local Walmart and give them a try.